Okay, let's take a look at some advanced factoring problems. Factor completely. X to the 6th minus 64. So first we're going to factor using a difference of perfect squares. That should say of. Just fix that there. So if you notice, I have two terms and I have a subtraction sign. So that's when we use the difference of perfect squares, and I'm going to square root each piece. I get two parentheses, one gets a plus, one gets a minus, and the square root of each goes inside those parentheses. Now remember, when you are square rooting, whoops, for exponents you're dividing by 2. So now if you notice, my two binomials that are left, x cubed plus 8 and x cubed minus 8, are the sum and difference of perfect cubes. So we're going to be using that rule. Now remember, with this rule you want to use SOAP. So I'm going to bring this down actually so we have some more room so I can finish factoring down here and have enough space. Okay, so let's take a look at this one first. I have a small parentheses and then I have a bigger parentheses, same sign, opposite sign, always positive. So I am going to take the cube root this time, the cube root of each, and then I'm going to use square, multiply, square. So x squared, x times 2, and 2 squared. And that's the first piece. That was this one. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this one. A small parentheses and a bigger one. Let's see if I can fit it. Same sign, opposite sign, always positive. So cube root of each goes in the first parentheses, and then I'm going to use square, multiply, square. So x squared, x times 2, and 2 squared. So this whole thing is my final answer. A binomial times a trinomial times a binomial times a trinomial. So two types of factoring put together.